Hey guys, Deomitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I have tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have about life, about career, how you can write down one resume, what are the things you need to say in an HR interview, what are the things you don't need to say in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I have tried to provide you the best knowledge. So if you wanted to know more about all those things, you can go through my career journey series or career awareness series. Okay, the series name is Career Guidance by Devamitra. So right now in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something, that is why Salesforce introduced Aura framework. So let's get started, guys. So at the beginning of the Salesforce development times, before Aura framework, developers used Visual Force, which is an HTML tag-based markup language to develop their Visual Force. Okay, web pages and Apex to control the internal logic. So, but the HTML-based Visual Force standards were not compatible to build large-scale enterprise solutions and complex applications. So developers needed something that could support the ongoing huge demand for web-based applications with complicated business logic. In 2014, Salesforce launched the Lightning Component Framework, and it changed the Salesforce programming way forever. Lightning Component Framework brought Aura Framework, which used a component-driven model that was brilliant in developing large-scale enterprise applications. Since the time, the web technology is being changed every day, seeing an unprecedented change in JavaScript frameworks, redefined way of creation of a web page, and more. Lightning component also has to become Lightning web components to accommodate the newest technologies in Salesforce development. So what is Lightning component? The era of Lightning Aura. Right now I'm going to talk about this. Salesforce Lightning component, also known as Aura component, is a user interface UI based framework for developing single page mobile desktop web based applications. So what is the benefit of using Lightning components? It used to create apps using a standardized JavaScript framework. Components are simple to use, reusable and customizable, which offers a robust and fast framework to work with. Lightning component pages are higher in performance than their legacy counterparts like VF pages. Okay, so easy to create a responsive page for app with Lightning components. So why did Salesforce launch Lightning web components? After Google has released web components to the Google Chrome browser, all the major web browsers like Firefox, Safari, and Edge started to adopt it, okay, faster. So Salesforce development had to keep up the pace of standardization of the web components according to the huge demand of the web components across the internet. The Lightning web component, introduced in February 2019, is Salesforce's new programming model built on modern browser improvements or web standards. The web components help to create custom reusable HTML tags for web pages and apps. Lightning web components is an extension of Lightning components, keeping all the good aspects of the famous Aura framework. Lightning web components leverage the web components technology and DOM rendering to deliver unparalleled user experience through the pages. Why choose LWC over Aura? So, modern JavaScript development, the Aura components programming model support ES5 syntax and ES6 promises. But if we want to use ES6 or later for development, then LWC comes in highlighting for modern JavaScript development. So Lightning web components JavaScript supports includes ECM Script, ECM 6, ECM 7. Okay, it's ES6. Okay, ECM Script 2015. ES7 is ECM Script 2016. ES8 it's ECM Script 2017. excluding shared memory and atomics. So ES9, that is ECM Script 2018, including only object spread properties, not object rest properties. So classes, modules, promises, decorators, web components, custom elements, shadow, DOM, templates, and slots. So the first thing is it's easy to learn. LWC is basically takes the form through native web standards, that is the browser. It means that no added abstraction layer like Aura framework or any other framework. We only need standard JavaScript to develop faster sites and better performance. LWC is a lightweight framework which is built on web standards, and because there is no added abstraction layer, LWC is likely to render faster than Aura components, since performance is important to deliverability. Okay, so portability, because LWC aligns with web standards and is open source, what we call LWC OSs, the components you create can easily work outside the platform. This means that you can write a component on the platform and reuse it somewhere else. For instance, in a non-Salesforce runtime. So you have even more flexibility because you can use it base UI components and Salesforce Lightning designing system, that is called SLDS. Okay, style sheets outside of the platform, as there are also open source. So that these are the things you can do. Less code. One difference between LWC and standard web components is the amount of code that you have to write to create a component. To create a component with LWC, you just write a few lines of code, and then the LWC compiler will transform the code, adding the necessary boilerplate and code, so that they become at the end web components. This empowers your teams to be more productive, maximizing the time developers can spend on more critical application logic or UX considerations, and minimizing time to value for the business. So enhanced security and browser compatibility. LWC has built-in security features. Also, it has limited event scope and more CSS script and DOM isolation that offers better security and browser compatibility of the app. So these are the things, guys. Right now in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Salesforce. So if you wanted to know about Salesforce, if you wanted to make your career in Salesforce, you can communicate with us. Okay. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training, end-to-end training on Salesforce. And Salesforce is world's #1 CRM. CRM means customer relationship management system. So if you are a candidate who wanted to start your career, this is the high time to choose Salesforce as your career option. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development. We are providing the training in Java DevOps, in data science, in Python, in machine learning, AI. Okay, so if you are a candidate who is looking for better opportunity, or you are a job seeker, or you have any career gap, we are here to help you. In my career journey series, you can see there are more than 15 plus candidates to whom I have talked about. They shared their stories with us about their success, about their failure. Okay, so kindly go through that series and get the best experience of life. So in PCS Global, we are providing the training in our CELP project. It is an on-job training project. You can join our CELP project also. And right now, PCS Global is located in Bengaluru, Koramangala. So this is our official address. So you can go visit our physical center. I will provide you the address in my another video. Okay. So you can join over there and you can get the best knowledge from our side. So this is for now. If you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below. And kindly share it with your family, friends and other people also. Okay. So have a very good day.